Hello everyone, it's Katrin, and today I would like to show you how to add a single raw ingredient. So every now and then we find ourselves obviously wanting to add our own products. And I'm going to just show you quickly. By going into this little hamburger over here, you can actually show only my ingredients. And what this will show you is all the ingredients you added to the database. Now, if you're new and you haven't added any ingredients, this one will be obviously empty. So in order to add one of your own ingredients with your own prices and your own suppliers, you're going to come over here to formulations, and then you're just going to go ahead and click this little add ingredients button. So we have over 500 raw ingredients in here. And what you want to make sure, let me just show you before I go here, is that the raw ingredient is part of our database. So for example, if you want to enter or add whole wood, you're going to just check, do we have whole wood in the system? If that is the case, it will show up here under essential oils, and it will also have our little Blend Precisely logo, whole wood, cinnamon, camphora, and then there's obviously another wood because we have that here in the search form. And in order for you to now add your own raw ingredient, you're just going to go here. So we made sure we have it in the system. You're going to select whole wood over here. And then you add your own supplier. Maybe you have it already in here, maybe not. I have, for example, plant therapy over here, but that is the wholesale account. So I'm going to add plant therapy right now as a new supplier for my retail account. I can add all of the other ones, but that's not necessary. Only the ones with the little red star here are obligatory. And then it will show up, and the supplier is successfully added to the system as well. And then you can just go ahead and enter everything you would like to enter, like the order name, order number, expiration date of your essential oil. So let's say we bought a new essential oil and we would like to add it with an expiration date of 3 years from now. We can do that. The purchase price, for example, was $7.97. Then the quantity purchased was 30 milliliters. You can choose here if it was organic or not, or if your oils are organic or not. In this case, this one isn't, and the currency is US dollars. And this one does not include sales tax when I bought it. If you have sales tax included in your purchase price, you might want to just check mark this for you here, and that just gives you the information right away if sales tax was included in your price or not when you research for your own ingredients. And then you simply go ahead and click add. Raw ingredients successfully added. Now you will find your raw ingredient over here with the little hamburger sign. Go to show only my ingredients, and whole wood will show up here. I can actually search for it too. Whole wood, search, and here it is, $7.97, 30 milliliters, with the expiration date, supplier's name, and the remaining information. You can also make changes over here. You can change US dollars, the price, milliliters, the unit size, and the quantity. You can also delete this one over here as well. So if you now come over here, you can actually choose whole wood as your ingredient over here. And how you can recognize this, if I turn off show only my ingredients and I type in whole wood, the Blend Precisely whole wood will come up and yours. And you can recognize this if you added your own label already, that this one will be yours. And the price difference you can see as well. So if you have 1 gram from your essential oil in here right now, it shows 29 cents. And this one here was a retail price. and it shows $1.38 per 1 gram. So it's really good to enter your own prices and create your own list of your ingredients. And that's it for today. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.